writing in your journal how much you love your boyfriend. He is so perfect. See? On your legs.
More or less.
Maybe a little bit. I want you. Yes. Yes, exactly. Cross the legs. Hitting her in the face with the snoot and looks right. So I'm going to take a test shot. But again, to emphasize what we're doing, this is our main light at 5500. Portrait, stuff like that. And you just want to get a light up in a corner. Like maybe she's sitting at a makeup station, right? And you want to get that light up in a corner. You can clamp that onto almost anything, okay? So it really does give you a lot of latitude. Anyway, so that's the CTO gel. Then what I want are the shadows filled with blue. Let me get a test right. Here we go, 1, 2. Maybe I can stop right now. All right, so I'm gonna take a bunch of shots with you. I want you looking down at the paper and then in this direction. Never, maybe at camera, I don't know. We'll see. Here we go, 1, 2. We're just, now looking right at camera. Right there, beautiful, hold that for me. So what I did was I closed this. Right there, here we go. Perfect. 1, 2. 1, 2. Gorgeous. 1, 2. One more. 1, 2. And back down to the light. The book. Actually, right at camera. Yeah. No, a camera. Beautiful. Right there.